Steven here with NorCal Screen Print Supply. We got this fresh new design printed by Creative Graham. It's a CMYK with an underbase and a top white, and he ran it 55 line per inch halftone. We're gonna get good detail. We're gonna go ahead and burn these on 305 mesh. We're gonna set them up on press, and the print should come out pretty cool, so check it out. These are all going to be on 305 mesh. So I'm going to burn all of these films on the screens in the same spot. I'm going to start my imprint about 5 inches down from the edge of the screen. So I measure to the middle of my top reg mark, and I make sure that my measurement is the same on all 6 of these screens. I want the film to be burned in the same spot. So we're burning our screen on this nice base layer LED vacuum top exposure unit, and we carry a bunch of these on our website, norcalsps.com. You're gonna see these crisp halftones and a nice positive contact we'll get from the vacuum. We're gonna burn beautiful, amazing screens for our print to come out. All right, I'm gonna put in our last two and take out our first two and see how they rinse out. Looking good, already exposed. Exactly what we want to see. Alright, so we've exposed all our screens, we've taped up all of our screens after they've dried, and we got them all set on our press. We're using the Riley 300, and we set our off contact to be about 3/8 of an inch, so our screen mesh is not resting on our platens, it's resting just above platen. Now we're going to use our micro registration to align all of our colors, and what I'm doing here is aligning all of them to a film positive from the film output, the separations. Process magenta. You can see these CMYK process inks are very thin, and they're formulated to be a little less opaque and thinner so that they can blend together and form the full color spectrum. Now we're ready to run a test print. We're going to lay down the white underbase, and we're going to print flash print the white underbase, and then we're going to hit it with the CMYK. And on these we're going to flash in between each color until we get our print, our test print, the way we want it. So there's our first. There's not a ton of magenta in this separation, but I can definitely see a little bit. We got some more orange. You can print flash print other colors to make them pop more, but we're just going to do the underbase 2 layers, meaning print flash print, and then 1 layer each for CMYK and our top layer. For this print, the way the separations are done, black is part of the colors in the imprint. You can see our reg marks. Reg marks are mostly covered up from our black, so I think our registration is pretty good. Feeling good about that. Hey, thanks for checking out the video of our CMYK process print. If you're interested in learning about how to do these prints, we teach this in our screen printing course. We have a few more this year, 2023. We have one in May, we have one in July, and we have one in October. So check out our website for details on that. We'd love to have you in the class. Thanks for watching, and keep on printing.